back, guys, to another video of Indo Chimps
and Zach's Jungle. Alright, so today we'll be trying out snacks from Indonesia. Are you excited?
Yeah. I mean, I tasted one of them.
Oh, you did? Oh, you cheated.
No, because it was on the train.
Ah, okay. So first one up, Zach chose this one.
Yeah. Melquita.
It's
Melquita.
Let's
Huh?
get it.
First.
Milkita. So Milkita, I think it translates to our milk.
And the strawberry.
Let's see the label here.
Where was it?
Product of Indonesia. So we'll give this one a try. You want me to open it for you, or you got it?
Got this one.
Okay.
Uh-oh.
Ready? 1, 2, 3. Go.
Oh, this is actually good, though.
This is pretty good.
It's like,
Like okay.
it's like chocolate and strawberry. Right?
No, this is milky to me.
Oh, wait, yeah.
This is okay. It's pretty good.
Oh.
It reminds me of like strawberry milk, just in the candy version.
Yeah, but it hurts my teeth.
Yeah, because you're not supposed to bite it.
I'm biting it.
Don't bite it. Well, I'm biting it now. So what do you think about this? Thumbs up, thumbs down? Thumbs up? Thumbs up for me too.
Never tried
Next one is
chocolate sandwich.
Salamat. Chocolate sandwich biscuits. Alright, there you go. Product of Indonesia right there. So pretty much your basic chocolate biscuits. Open it. Fine, open it. Oops. Alright. One for you. Ready?
Three, 2, 1.
Actually pretty good. I like how the biscuit is pretty light.
Yeah, the biscuit is kind of just not sweet enough.
I like it. I like that it's not that sweet. So you taste more of the chocolate more.
But I like the biscuit.
You want the biscuit to be more sweet?
And yeah, the chocolate is good though.
Okay. For Salama, what do you think? I think it's a thumbs up.
Thumbs up, and I rate it a high rate, 10 out of 10.
10 out of 10? So next one.
You try.
What do you want to do this one? Here we go. Sesame Cracker with honey. Jans?
What? What?
Or Jans?
Jams.
Jams. Jans. And just to show y'all. So basically, I guess Sesame Crackers, are they supposed to be like graham crackers?
Just break it all.
Alright.
Instead of just ripping it all of this.
So, yeah, crackers, simple crackers.
Basic. That's different.
Maybe sweet.
Wait, no, it tastes familiar.
Tastes like maybe graham crackers.
No, this I have this. I used to. I forgot. It just tastes familiar. We had this like a year ago.
I'm gonna have another one. These are pretty good. Or maybe like those cookies. Like the cookies that come in the metal jar. The one that's like the shape of a pretzel, and it has like square rectangle shape, like those cookies.
Yeah, do it like this.
Yeah. Does it taste like those?
I don't remember.
Oh man. Alright, so this next one, we're gonna do this one next.
I was questioning chips.
The chocolate potato chips. Potato chips? By Jan's.
Well, I'm just gonna try one.
Chocolate covered potato chips.
Nice.
Got yours? Or not yet?
No.
Okay, you ready?
Yeah.
Alright, 1, 3, 2, 1. Boo! It's
I don't like at the beginning. I feel that I tasted chocolate, but at the end it feels
like the potato chip. Yeah. It's different. I mean, it's different. It's not a bad different.
I'll rate it.
It's not a good different. Alright, so thumbs up or thumbs down? I was sideways.
I'll do it like this.
Next up is
Taro
chips. Taro chips. Barbecue taro chips. And the brand is, I don't know, is it?
Wait, where is it? Which one?
Snack Asli Nusantara. 100% Indonesia, right there on the label on the top. And that's the cooking stuff. So that's pretty cool. Let's give this a try.
Time for burp.
Burp.
Oh.
Go ahead, try.
Ow. Oh.
Okay, it's good. So it looks like a potato chip.
Why does it look like there's meat on it? It looks like nachos.
Tree.
Tree.
2, 1.
One.
3, 2, 1.
Munch. Munch. Oh. Oh. Ow. Ow.
No.
Eh.
You like it?
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
Eh.
Yeah. Okay. No. Okay. Alright, so my opinion,
I'd say the best one so
the initial barbecue flavor is decent, it's okay.
At the end?
But yeah, that aftertaste and as a chip, as a snack, I don't like it.
I like it.
I'm not a fan.
I like it.
Alright, we'll move on to our next one.
Yes, finally.
I guess she's been looking forward to this.
Indonesia.
Shh, chill. Alright, so this is the next one. It is
Ooh, I like that.
Probish.
I like that.
Probish. Cassava Crackers.
Wait, what?
Here you go.
Got it.
So that's what it looks like.
3, 2, 1. Yeah.
I definitely like it better than the barbecue one. But
No, for me, no.
well, you know, yeah, it's different.
It tastes kind of sweet.
So cassava crackers, this would be in Indonesia is kerupuk singkong. What do you think about these? Thumbs down. I give it a sideways. Next one up is Garuda
Indonesia.
Kacang Atom coated peanuts. And rasa pedas. So rasa pedas means the rasa is taste, pedas is spicy. So spicy flavor.
It's spicy.
So spicy flavor. Rasa pedas. Spicy flavor. Oh yeah, that's what it is. Oops.
Dang. I know how to pop the battery.
Okay, so
My favorite. Let me one.
you wanted the spicy one first?
Huh?
Good luck. Okay.
Okay, how come I didn't think?
Alright, 1, 2, 3. I actually like it. So
Told you.
I guess I lied about all the snacks being sweet. 'Cause actually, this is semi-sweet, so
Yeah.
it's spicy and sweet. I'm a fan of this.
I'm fine.
Like, these are one of those that you can just keep eating, snacking on, without realizing that you're snacking. So these are pretty dangerous.
How?
Because you don't, just keep eating it.
And then the stomach.
So definitely, it's not your typical snack. It's coated peanuts, and it's sweet and spicy.
Oh, okay.
Huh? Oh, sorry. So yeah, I definitely recommend this one. This one, out of all of them, this is probably my favorite. So I give this a thumbs up.
Oh, I give this a high thumbs up.
High thumbs.
I've never tried this. Never tried this.
We haven't tried this one? Alright, so if you haven't tried this one, it's the same thing. Garuda.
Indonesia.
And this one, I'll show the label on this one.
What's that?
I don't know if you can see it. The bottom label says original flavor. Ini kacangku. Go ahead. So this is the original favorite one.
I'm not eating it.
Let's try it.
I got the peanut out.
I like these. These are pretty good. They're not spicy though.
I like their spicy.
It's more of a garlicky flavor. It's not sweet. I give these a thumbs up. It's good.
No, I did just.
Have it? Okay, I give it a thumbs up. Okay. Same thing, Garuda. It's a different flavor. It doesn't say on here. Kacang telur. Kacang means like peanuts or nuts, and telur means egg. So I guess it's an egg coating. I'm guessing this is like an egg coated, like fried egg coated or egg flavored maybe. You can't make eggs. Stop. Ready?
Yeah,
It reminds me of
peanut butter.
it reminds me of like honey roasted,
What?
honey roasted peanuts. That's what it tastes like to me. I like this. This is pretty good. This is actually pretty good. I like that one. So that probably is my second favorite from the Garuda Peanuts. Out of all of them, which one is your favorite? My favorite is this one. Out of all of them, surprisingly, I didn't think this was gonna be my favorite, but this right here, the spicy flavored one.
My favorite's Milkita.
Ah. So this is my favorite one.
My
Out of all of them.
Milkita.
Alright, so your favorite's the Milkita? This one, the Milkita.
The broken thing.
So that's his favorite. That's our favorite for today. We will probably have another one not episode, but try some more snacks. If you tried these snacks, comment down below what you've tried, if you like them, what you recommend, if you have any other Indonesian snacks that you want us to try, and if we're able to locate it, I'll give it a try. That's it from us today. Thanks for watching our video.